What's up guys, welcome back to today's video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe down below before we get started. That way you can stay up to date on all the cool photo and video and vlog stuff we do here. So, backstory a little bit, I was watching some Peter McKinnon, as everybody who watches YouTube does at some point. Anyway, I was watching like 8 camera hacks in 60 seconds or something, and I'm like, yo, let's try this out, see how well it works, So, that's today's video. Be sure to stay till the end because something happened about partway through this video that I need to explain, but I don't want to explain it now because I just want to get into the video. So be sure to stay till the end and I'll explain everything that happened. That's not a big brain moment for me, to say the least. But with that in mind, let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy. Those photos turned out pretty good, actually. I'm kind of impressed with how they turned out. But the thing I wanted to talk to you guys about from like earlier, I said to stay till the end so I could explain something. Yeah, I'm going to explain it right now. So, listen up. One, I was doing the swinging one with like the belt, and like I had like my hand underneath it, like in case it fell, and like swinging it around, It didn't click that I had a neck strap for my camera. Like I could have just done that. Just picked it up by that. It would have been like secure to the camera, and I would have to be like careful, trying to like balance it and all this stuff, and like make sure it doesn't tip or fall, making sure it like didn't tip or fall, So I was like looking back through the footage, and I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, I've got the belt and the neck strap. The neck strap is getting in the way. The belt's over there doing what it was supposed to. I'm like, cool, it works. But why did I use the belt? I had the neck strap. I could have just done that and whoop, whoop, called it good right there. But no. My brain didn't process it. It was like, yo, let's go get a belt because we have no other way of doing it. I'm like, looking back, I'm like, oops. But yes, so if you try that one, use your neck strap if you have it. If you don't, the belt's fine. It's a little tipsy. You got to balance the camera and make sure it's all set. But if you have it, you might as well just use your camera strap. It's a whole lot safer and easier. But yes, with that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.